Hey everyone, today we'll be unboxing and taking a look at the Kaabo Mantis 8 electric scooter. The Kaabo Mantis 8 delivers compact performance and is a dual motor e-scooter. It's made out of an aviation grade aluminum alloy frame, which is all forged in one piece. The Kaabo Mantis 8 can reach speeds up to 25 miles an hour, and the max range is 25 miles. All right, let's take a look inside. Okay, right on top, you have your user manual with all your information inside. And then you have your power brick and power cable. Next, we have our wheel plugs. Last but not least, have our toolkit. All right, let's get the Kaabo Mantis 8 out of the box. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna stand the front of the scooter up. So stand straight up and it'll click right into place. Okay, and then secure it into place with these red clips here. Snap. Okay, next, in order to put the handlebar in place, we wanna unscrew these 4 bolts right here. So you're gonna grab your toolkit, go through each one. You get the last screw off here. Just take this top plate off. Okay, once you have this top plate off, you're gonna take your handlebar, put it right in the middle there, make sure that the screen is facing towards you. Then you're gonna put the top plate right back on and put those 4 screws back in place. Okay, and now we're just gonna tighten it up, make sure it's nice and secure. Okay, and you just want to make sure that these 4 are nice and tight so that handlebar is secure and won't move around on you. Okay, to power it on, you're going to hold the red button. And there you go, you can toggle through a few different modes on the LCD screen. And down here, you can toggle between an eco mode or a turbo mode. Down here, you can toggle between a single motor and dual motor. And right up here, you have your throttle. On your left, you have your button for your lights. You have a left and a right turn signal. And you have your horn down here. On both your left and your right side, you're gonna have your brakes. And then on the left, you have your bell. Okay guys, our Kaabo Mantis 8 is all assembled and ready to go. And it's ready to go for a ride.